For quick and easy sweet potatoes, I'm going to microwave them. It'll probably be about 10 minutes for these 2 potatoes. First, let's scrub them down and get them ready for the microwave. The peel of sweet potatoes is actually quite thin and super nutritious, so whenever you can, it's a great idea to leave it on. I'm gonna scrub them really well to cut off any blemishes. 2 beautiful sweet potatoes. You poke them all over so that they don't explode in the microwave, and put them on a plate and put them in the microwave on high power for 5 minutes. Check them, give them another 3 minutes, rotate them, check them, give them another 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever. Our sweet potatoes are done. It's like butter. It goes through so nicely. Time to open them up and top them with our beautiful toppings. Slice it in half. There we go, beautiful. Now we can rough up the inside. We created a little bit of a hollow. Now we're going to add our topping. Just load that in there like that. And now for the creamy avocado. Oh, yum. Just go ahead and eat it.